good, y'all? It's your girl Samaya. Welcome and welcome back. How y'all doing? In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to apply strip lashes. Yes, period. Because one thing about it, people love my lashes. Just like people love my eyebrows, people love my lashes. People actually think when I put on strip lashes that they are extensions. And I'm like, nah, baby, these are strips. I would take these off right now if I didn't need to keep them on for the rest of the day. But yes, I'm gonna show y'all how to put on y'all individuals and make them look like they some shit. I'm gonna show y'all how to put on y'all strip lashes like they some individuals, baby. And you ain't gotta cut them all up and put them on piece by piece. I'm gonna show y'all how to put the whole thing on and make it look like individuals, okay, honey? Period. These are the lashes that I got. I ordered these off of Temu. I'm gonna have to stop shouting Temu. Look, I'm gonna have to stop shouting Temu out. Jesus, I cannot talk today. But yeah, I'm gonna have to stop shouting Temu out. They gonna have to sponsor me, baby. But I'm here for the girls. I'm here for the girls, period. So I'm still gonna link these in the description down below in case y'all like them. These were nothing but like 75 cents, I think, when I bought them. And I bought buku of them. So I'm gonna leave the link down below. These are the lashes. They're so pretty, y'all. But yeah, let me show y'all how I do this. So I got nails on, so I'm gonna use tweezers to take them off. But I honestly would recommend doing it like that anyway, because y'all know how sometimes these lashes be sticking to the tray. Like, baby, why is y'all super gluing the lashes to the tray? No. So let's see. I just take them by the corner, pull them off. See that? Y'all see that? Y'all probably can't even see that. But yeah, I make sure that I take all of that extra stuff off because yeah, we don't want that on our lashes. And while I'm doing this, sometimes I'll pick off like strays that's just like all over the place, but that's because I get like wispy lashes. So sometimes I have a lot of stray lashes all over the place, but I just pick off that extra glue because that is not cute, baby. So boom, we got one lash. One thing I do to make them fit my eye better is I cut the ends off. I cut a little bit off the back and the front end. You don't have to do it that way, but that's just the way that I do it, just because the inner and the outer corners are like the thinnest areas of the lashes, so that's what I cut off. Now if the lash fits your eye, then you don't have to cut off any excess, but I know that these are too big for my eyes, so I cut off that little piece. And then I'm gonna do the same thing to the front. Boom. Yeah, so this is the lash that we're working with. Okay, period. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on so y'all can see. I use lash glue, like actual lash glue. You can use hair glue, use whatever you want, baby. It don't matter, because if I'm in a rush, I'm gonna use some hair glue. But I got time today, so I'm gonna show y'all the appropriate way. So when you put in the glue on your eyelash, you can either use like the end of a rat tail comb, or you can just put it straight on. You can use a Q-tip, whatever. Ooh, shit, y'all, this just happened. And I'm so glad that did not get on my lash, because boy, I would have been so hurt. Okay, let's try this again. It don't want to come out for some reason. Don't do me like that. Oh my goodness. Okay, try to make sure there's no hair on. I guess this would be like a weft of eyelash. Just put a little thin line. Y'all probably didn't see that, but I tried. So now you just let that get tacky. Don't put it on your eye while it's still wet, okay? Because that's just a recipe for disaster. So while that's drying, I'm gonna go ahead and like prep the other eyelash. Okay, so I got the other one prepped. Now let me see if it's tacky. Now let me see if I can do this. Ooh. So the way that I learned, I watched a YouTube video a long time ago, and the girl was like, treat your lash strip, your eyelash, like a landing strip of a plane, right? So you oh shit. Okay, it's on there. So let me see. I'm trying to do it on camera so y'all can see, but and I just press it up against my eyelid. I hope y'all can see. Okay, so we got it literally right on the eyelid, right? So now we squeeze. Squeeze and try to wipe off any excess if it gets caught on your finger. Squeeze. And then I like push it upwards like that. Okay, so yeah, I might have to put some more glue right here, but let me see if I can do the other eye. Let y'all see. So when I put it on, I look down. I like to look down so I can see my lash line. You don't want it like all up in here. You want it literally right underneath your lash line. So and if you have any like excess glue on your eye, just take a Q-tip and clean it off. And something else you could do is what I'm doing right now. Look down, but press your eyelashes into your eye. So I am gonna add a little more glue in this corner. So this is how I do that. I just take the tip, oh my goodness. I just take the tip of a comb or whatever, get the little bit of glue. Let me see if I can do this on camera. Nah, nope. But y'all get the gist of what I'm doing. Okay, y'all, I think I got it together. So yeah, that's how they looking. So let me see when I look down. Yeah, so yeah, that's how your eyelashes should look when you're done with them. You don't have to put them directly in the inner corner, and you don't have to put them directly in the outer corner. Depending on the look you're going for, depends on, you know, your placement and all that stuff. And I don't know why it was so difficult to do it on camera, or it could be because I got nails on, because the whole pinching the eye is easier when you don't have nails on, because you can really get in there and pinch them eyelids together, okay? But yeah, let me see if there's anything else I can tell y'all. So yeah, so basically it's really just pressing them into your eyelid. You want to get them literally at the bottom of your eyelid. You want to get them right above the lashes. Don't put them on your eyelid. And then when you pinch them, it kind of presses the skin into the lashes, and that's what it makes, I think that's what gives it that illusion that people think that they're individuals, because you don't see that line. It's not like a harsh line. And also because the fact that the whole lash is connected to my eye. Please make sure your whole lash is connected to your eye. Don't have half a lash hanging. At that point, baby, take it off. Just take it off. But yeah, I hope I explained everything to where everybody can understand. I explained it to the best of my abilities. I'll do another video if I have to. If, you know, if y'all still have questions or anything like that, I don't mind doing another video. It ain't nothing but lashes, baby. I put them on almost every day. But if you have made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Come check out your girl, because why not? And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.